Soccer is a favorite sport for kids of all ages in Ecuador, and many dream of becoming professional players. This new soccer school is in El Juncal, a village north of Quito. 5 members of the national Ecuador team grew up here. Ecuador's national soccer team is known as La Tricolor because of its yellow, blue, and red uniforms. La Tricolor has many fans that will do crazy things to support their team.
Ecuador's capital city, Quito, sits at the foot of the majestic Andes Mountains. Many visitors travel about an hour and a half from Quito to reach one of Ecuador's most famous sites. The Cotopaxi volcano is a highly active volcano. Scientists have recorded more than 50 eruptions in the past 300 years. Although it may be the most well-known, Cotopaxi is certainly not Ecuador's only volcano. It is part of a string of active volcanoes, often called the Avenue of Volcanoes, or sometimes known as Volcano Alley. Despite near-constant volcanic activity, however, Cotopaxi forms the heart of the popular Cotopaxi National Park. Ecuadorians, as well as visitors to the country, can climb to the glacier-covered summit, walk around the bottom, or trek on some of the many scenic trails on the mountain. Every Saturday, the busy market of Otavalo, in the northern Andean region of Ecuador, is bustling. Vendors of all ages wear traditional clothing. Tradition is important in this region, where weavers have been using the same techniques for hundreds of years. Black outer skirts are layered over white inner ones. White blouses are often decorated with lace, ribbons, or embroidery. Gold jewelry is popular. Hats serve the practical purpose of keeping the bright sun out of one's eyes. And shawls help ward off the chilly, high mountain air.